Next topic is pinhole camera. It is works based on the straight line propagation of a light. The pinhole camera is based on the rectilinear propagation of the light. See the diagram. The pinhole camera consists of a box with a small hole in a metal plate at one end. One end is, it is a small hole in the metal plate, and the screen of a tracing paper or frosted glass at the other end. One end is metal with hole, and other end is nothing but the tracing paper or frosted glass at the other end. If the camera is pointed towards the entire camera is pointed towards the, let us take a tree, an inverted diminished real image of the tree is formed. Means here the diminution means size is reduced, inverted is nothing but the interchange, top bottom, bottom becomes top, top becomes bottom, that is the inversion. So the real image is nothing but the real image always catch up on the screen. Virtual image you cannot catch up on the screen. So that type of image is formed on the screen. On the screen, the inverted, diminished, and again the real image of the corresponding tree is formed on the screen. As clear from the figure, see the diagram carefully, you can observe the image of the corresponding object. Light rays from the top of the tree, let us say a point, travel in a straight line and falls at x. The top of the tree A travels in a straight line and falls at x on the screen. Rays from the bottom of the tree, bottom point B, fall at y. Similarly, the bottom of the tree B fall at y. Thus, xy is the diminished, inverted, real image of the tree on the screen. So that xy is the image of the corresponding AB. So that the image is the inverted image, next to diminished image, next to real image on the screen. If the screen is replaced by a photographic film, if the screen is replaced with a photographic film, a photograph of the tree can be taken. So that instead of the tracing paper or any tracing paper or any frosted glass material, if you remove that one, if you place other place photographic film, it will be taken as a photograph of the corresponding tree with the help of the photographic film. Whenever the light falls on it, it picturizes. That is the working of photographic film. If the hole is larger than a pinhole, the image obtained will be blurred. If the entire hole will be increased or size increased or extended the corresponding pinhole, it will be the image on the screen, it will be blurred. So increasing the number of the holes, increasing the number of the images. You can increase the number of the holes, you can get the increased number of the images based on the corresponding hole. So see the ray diagrams depending upon the position of an object. So that position of an object from the pinhole, the size of the image will be changed. Even it will be changes as a enlarged means increased size or magnified. Sometimes it will be diminished, size is reduced or decreased size. We will understand the one by one ray diagrams. So observe the ray diagrams. As the object distance decreases, the image gets bigger. The object distance is decreases, the images gets bigger. See the diagram. When D is greater than L, D is nothing but the object distance, L is nothing but the image distance. D is more than that of the L, the image is diminished. Diminution means decrease in the size. When D is equals to L, object distance equals to image distance, the image of the same size as the object. The image on the screen is same image size than with respect to the object. The image size is same as that of the object when the D equals to the L. When D is less than L, the image distance more than that of the object distance, in that case the image is magnified, means increased size or bigger than the size. The image is higher than that of the object when D is less than L. So in this manner we will understand the size of the image based on the position of an object by using pinhole camera.